Imagine reclaiming more time in your day not by working harder, but by doing things differently. With AI Wize, this isn't just a dream, it's a reality you can achieve. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how embracing an AI lifestyle can transform your everyday life and work. Grab a cup of coffee, and let's get started. Picture a world where mundane tasks vanish, emails organize themselves, and your to-do list gets checked off without constant attention. Integrating AI into your daily routine is like upgrading from a bicycle to a high-speed train. You're still in control, but now you reach your destination faster and more efficiently. AI Wize automates repetitive tasks and streamlines workflows, freeing up time and mental space for creativity, focus, and meaningful connections. But why embrace an AI lifestyle? It's not about becoming a tech expert overnight. It's about making thoughtful, gradual changes that transform your way of living and working. AI Wize is designed to be intuitive and accessible, making it easy for anyone to start integrating AI into their daily routine. Let's talk about Emily's story. She's a marketing manager and a mother of two. Balancing work projects with a busy home life left her feeling stretched thin until she discovered AI Wize. In the morning, Emily starts her day with personalized briefings. AI Wize curates a tailored summary of industry news, client updates, and weather forecasts just for her. Her inbox is pre-sorted, with urgent emails highlighted and routine messages organized for later. No more sifting through endless emails. During her workday, AI Wize optimizes her schedule. It arranges meetings during her peak productivity times, blocks out focus periods, and includes short breaks to prevent burnout. Weekly performance reports are generated automatically, allowing her to update her team efficiently. At home, shared calendars keep everyone's activities aligned, from soccer practice to family dinners. AI Wize even suggests recipes based on her family's preferences, creates shopping lists, and syncs with her grocery delivery service. The result? Emily reclaimed 2 hours each day. She used that time to start a blog about work-life integration. AI didn't just automate tasks, it empowered her to focus on what truly mattered. Ready to transform your routine? Here are 3 practical AI-powered solutions with AI Wize. First, mastering email with intelligence, where AI Wize smartly categorizes your emails. Next, intelligent scheduling and task management to arrange meetings at optimal times. Finally, personalized knowledge at your fingertips with daily briefings on topics of interest. Adopting an AI-assisted lifestyle isn't just a productivity hack, it's a paradigm shift. You can experience personal growth by rediscovering time for hobbies and relationships, and achieve professional advancement by focusing on high-impact projects. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What tasks would you like AI to handle for you? Leave a comment below and let's start a conversation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.